2015 Audi S7. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys. There's got factory converters up there on the manifold on each side. Then it had resonators here. We cut them off. Then somebody else cut the other two resonators off before us, there. Then we did a rear muffler delete also, there and there. As you guys can see, there's the two mufflers and there's the two resonators. So you guys can see they are empty resonators. So you don't think we cut cats off. There's the tips. They come with a valve. You cut it off and just zip tie it up like that. See how we zip tie them up there and there? So it opens and closes like it's supposed to. And it's an Audi S7. And then we put quad tips on it. Oh man, those tips look really good on it. I just noticed them. I like it. There's before, after. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate everything you guys do for us. And we'll keep producing these videos. That sounds neat. Wow. Audi S7. Much better. It's got such a bite to it. There's sound decibels. It hit 112. Wow. Gotta back it up. There's the mufflers and resonators we cut off. I love that sound, man. That's sick. Let you guys hear on the inside.